Hey! Today I am having a treatment. It's called cavitation, and the reason I'm getting it is that it doesn't matter how much I watch what I'm eating and go to the gym, etc. For me, genetics have made my thighs, I feel, slightly bigger than the rest of my body. So the lovely Kerry, who is our aesthetic nurse, suggested having a cavitation treatment, and the only benefits that I'm interested in is the fact that it's apparently supposed to give you a bit of a thigh gap and makes you lose inches around the areas that we're going to work on. So what I'm going to do is get Kerry to explain maybe the technical aspect of it, because she'll be a lot better at that than me. Kerry!
Hello. So this is what's known as cavitation, and it's for overall fat reduction. So per treatment you can lose anything from 2 to 4 centimetres per treatment.
2 to 4 centimetres.
So you will see results. So the way it works is it's ultrasound based, and what it does is it produces ultrasound pressure down to your fat cells.
See if you can see here.
And then the fat cells are disrupted, and then they turn into a liquid. The fat cell disrupts, they turn into a liquid state, and then it is taken to your body through natural processes, and the fat's completely gone. So the whole thing takes about 12 weeks for you to see the complete benefits, but as I say, you'll see 2 to 4 centimetres per treatment of fat loss in that treated area.
Okay, and how many times should you have the treatment to see maximum benefits?
So it all depends on the treatment size of the area. Obviously the bigger the area, the more treatments you'll need, but ideally if you commit to about 6 to 8 treatments.
Okay, and getting them once a week?
Once a week, yeah, once a week for either 6 to 8 treatments, and then that will be you.
Okay, fantastic. And how much did you say potentially you can lose?
Between 2 and 4 centimetres per treatment. So it's very good.
That is amazing.
And once the fat's gone, the fat's gone. It's not coming back.
And it's not a case of once you eat, do you need to be careful of what you eat, and do you still need to go to the gym?
No, I mean the fat will be gone.
Right.
But obviously, the healthier a lifestyle you live, the more active you are, then you're not likely to put that fat back on.
And you're probably going to see results a bit quicker.
You will see results. No, you won't see results quicker. The results will just last for longer.
Brilliant. And you can maintain them properly?
You can maintain them if you're happy with the results. You can maintain them.
Okay. How much is this treat for the likes of myself? I'm getting inner and outer thighs. What's that typically likely to cost?
So I would say that would be a 60-minute treatment. So that would be, right now I'm doing it at all treatments half price. So it's a fantastic deal. It's £125 per session, but obviously you'd be getting that for half the price throughout January and February only.
Fantastic. I'm trying to keep this video short in case we can't upload it onto Facebook, but I'm thinking, obviously, if you were to think about the likes of liposuction, you're talking, I don't know, at least £4,000. The more areas you add on, the more, it's usually about £500 for every area, so significantly less than lipo, less complications, it's no surgery. I'm absolutely sold. So I'm going to get this treatment. It feels so relaxing, it heats up slightly. It's so weird because you can feel, what is it, like an ultrasonic, did you say?
You can feel a bit of a buzz.
Right, it's like a buzz, but it goes right through your head, but not in an uncomfortable way. It's, I don't know, it's strange. But to me it just feels as if something's happening and it's actually working. But I am going to continue to have my treatment and enjoy this, and I will absolutely be updating you guys on the process, and I will be updating you on how my thighs are shrinking. Thank you guys, bye.